Children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work in the book. So children, this is your computer book, IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes, Computer Series 2. Children, in the previous video, we had completed chapter 7. Today we are going to start chapter 8. So let us start. So children, till now we have studied all about computer and its types, uses of computer, man versus computer, keyboard, monitor, input and output devices, and notepad and calculator. So children, it is very important to know all these things before starting working on a computer. So children, now we have worked on computer also, and we have learned how to create a document and how to do calculation. When you start making document, children, you need to save the document. So children, what is this saving a document? Why do we save a document, and how do you save a document? So children, what are the processes in which you save your document, why you need to save a document, and where it get stored in the computer when you save it? So all these are the questions which may arise within you when you are going to read our next chapter. So children, as you know, our next chapter is all about the storage of the information. So whatever work we do on notepad or through the calculator, all these works has to be stored. So in the previous video, I explained you how to make a document, how to create a document, and how to save it. And when you save the document, children, where does it go? So let us understand what are the devices which we use to save the document, and why we need to save a document, and where it get saved. So children, today we are going to start our next chapter, and the next chapter is all about storage devices. So let us start. So children, our today's topic is storage devices. Chapter 8, as you can see on the screen, children, chapter 8, that is chapter 8, that is storage devices. So children, what do you mean by storage? The word storage means keeping something safely for the future use. If you are keeping something safely for the future use, children, that is called storage. Children, you must have seen your parents, mother, especially mother, keeping your sweaters after the one season for the next season, for the next year when the season once again arrives. So here children, जब भी आपने देखा होगा समर ख़त्म होता है, हम समर के कपड़े, कॉटन के कपड़े अंदर डाल देते हैं और विंटर के कपड़े बाहर निकालते हैं. क्यों निकालते हैं? क्योंकि हम हर सीज़न में वी वेयर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. So children, we wear clothes as per the season and as per the need. So children, you can't wear cotton clothes in winter season. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. So when this season comes, next season comes, we take out our clothes as per our need. So winter में आता है तो हम winter के हिसाब से ही या winter की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से हम अपने कपड़े निकालते हैं. इन विंटर वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स, जिसको हम वो क्लोथ्स जिनको हमने लास्ट ईयर सेफली रखा था उसको बाहर निकालते हैं. वी वेयर दोज क्लोथ्स इन द विंटर सीजन. सो एज वी हैव kept all these dresses or sweaters safely, we can use it in the next season also. In this way, children, we have lot of cloth and comfortably we can wear these and protect us from the कोल्ड सीज़न. तो अगर हमारे पास बहुत सारे कपड़े होते हैं तो हमें पहनने में भी आराम होता है, और फिर हर सीज़न में हम नए नए कपड़े तो नहीं खरीद सकते, तो ये वेस्टेज ऑफ मनी होता है. इसलिए हम कुछ चीज़ों को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखते हैं, और जब वो चीज़ अवेलेबल नहीं होती है तो भी हम उसे यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्टोरेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फूड ग्रेन्स ऑल्सो, और सम ईडेबल्स ऑल्सो लाइक पिकल्स, like some jams and jellies, all these are kept for the time when there is unavailability of food stuff, या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो हर वक्त नहीं मिलती, हर सीज़न में नहीं मिलती, हम उसे सेव करके या स्टोर करके रखते हैं. सो इन कंप्यूटर्स ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन, we have different types of devices. For example, input and output devices. We have already studied about these devices, and these devices are used, for example, input devices are used for giving instructions to the computer, and output devices are used for getting the information or the result from the computer. So we can give instructions using some devices. These are called input devices, and we get a result using some devices, and these are called output devices. Similarly, children, after completing any work or after performing any task, we get some information. These information has to be stored safely for the future use. As these information are protected for future use, we need to protect these in a particular device. We need some devices also to keep these storage, these information stored safely. So children, in this chapter we are going to read about these devices. For example, children, your mother keeps your clothes in the trunk or in the almirah safely, and there are some clothes, for example, some expensive clothes made up of silk or some other costly or expensive fabric, and these clothes can't be wear every day. We can't wear silk clothes every day, so we keep these safely. We wear these clothes only when there is some auspicious occasion or some puja or some marriage or some any ceremony in the house. So so all these has to be taken care of and has to be stored safely. For that we take several steps, and for keeping these we use almirahs, we use trunk, and nowadays we have boxes in our bed also. There also we keep these things in the in some safe devices, and the things which are used for protecting these or keeping these things safely are called devices, यानी कि मशीन. तो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जिसमें हम अपने कपड़ों को सेफ रखते हैं उसको हम डिवाइस कह सकते हैं. तो सिमिलरली, वॉट एवर वर्क वी डू ऑन द कंप्यूटर चिल्ड्रन, वी नीड टू protect them, we need to keep them for future use, and in this way we use different types of devices. So mainly, firstly, the primary device which is used to keep the information stored is called hard disk. As you know children, hard disk is a part of computer which is present in the CPU. CPU box में हमारे पास एक box होता है जो cuboid होता है, and it is used for the storage of the information, and we call it as primary क्योंकि this is the main storage unit. Whatever we save in the computer gets stored in the hard disk. And other than these children, we have several external devices also जो हम बाहर से लाते हैं, मतलब वो कंप्यूटर का पार्ट नहीं होता, वो हम अलग से ला करके कंप्यूटर में लगा करके डेटा को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं या फिर डेटा को स्टोर करके उसमें भी रखते हैं. दिस कैन बी CD-ROM, DVD or pen drive. So these are the different types of devices which we use for storing the data, and we will be reading about these in detail in this chapter. So let us start children. Here in this chapter we are going to read about storage. What is storage? We'll be reading about what is storage. Then the device used to store is called storage devices, and these storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive. Now children, these different types of storage unit devices are very important, and we all use in one or the other way. So let us read about this now. So children, firstly, hi friends. Here once again we have met Lappy. Lappy will be telling all about the storage device in this chapter. So Lappy says, hi friends, you have already studied input-output devices. In this chapter, we are going to study different types of storage devices. So in this chapter, we will be reading about different types of storage devices. So in the previous chapter, or we all have studied about input and output devices. Input devices are the devices which are used to give information or instructions to the computer to perform any task. Similarly, output devices are the type of devices which are used by us to get the information from the computer. So input devices are used before performing any task, and output devices are used after the completion of any task. So in this manner, children, in this chapter we have understood about these two types of devices, and in this chapter we are going to read about storage device. Just now I told you about storage device. One of the most important benefits of using a computer is that it can store your work for future use. So whatever work we perform using a computer can be saved for the future used. हम उसको एक बार नहीं कई बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को. बार बार हमको एक ही काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. हम उसी काम को जो भी हमने किया उसको रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, या फिर हम उसको उसमें चेंजेस करके वी कैन यूज़ इट अगेन इफ़ नेसेसरी. अदरवाइज एज इट इज़ ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज़ इट. तो ये सबसे अच्छा फ़ायदा कंप्यूटर में काम करने का होता है कि जो भी हम करते हैं हम उसको स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन यूज़ इट इन द फ्यूचर. इन फ्यूचर अगर उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो वी कैन यूज़ इट. वंस यू स्टोर योर वर्क it will never be lost. And most important thing is if you keep it in this computer, if you store it in the computer, it is never lost, or you can review your work anytime later. So children, this is one of the benefit of working of the computer. So children, it is one of the benefit of working with computer that whatever we do on the computer, all the information which we get after the processing can be stored in the computer itself. So children, computer saves and stores your files. In the previous chapter also, in Notepad and calculator, we have studied that whatever document we are making, whatever file we are making can be stored and kept in the computer safely. So children, storage means keeping any information for the later use, keeping any information or anything safely for the later use is called storage. And children, for storing anything we need some device. And these devices are different types of storage devices about which we will be reading in this chapter. So let us read, children. Chapter is one of the most important benefits of using a computer is that it can store your work for future use. So benefit यानी फ़ायदे. benefit का मतलब होता है फ़ायदे. important का मतलब होता है ज़रूरी. important यानी ज़रूरी, benefit यानी फ़ायदे of using a computer is that it can store your work for future use. Then once you store your work, it will never be lost. You can review your work any time later. So you can review your work any time later. मतलब आपने जो भी काम किया आप उसको रिव्यू कर सकते हैं, यानी कि आप उसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं, कुछ डिलीट कर सकते हैं और फिर उसको वापस से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So this is storage. So computer saves and stores your file. जो कंप्यूटर है वो हमारी फ़ाइल को सेव करता है और उसके बाद स्टोर करता है. अगर हम बाहर कहीं फ़ाइल को रखते हैं तो चूहे काटने का डर होता है और भी कई ऐसी चीज़ें, दीमक वगैरह या टर्माइट्स वगैरह लगने के डर होते हैं जिससे हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन ख़राब हो सकती है, फ़ाइल ख़राब हो सकती है, बारिश से भीग करके ख़राब हो सकती है, मॉइस्चर से ख़राब हो सकती है. बट when you keep these information in the computer, our information is being kept away from these dangers. ना चूहा उसे काट सकता है, ना तो वो खो सकता है, ना कोई और प्रॉब्लम उसके साथ हो सकती है. तो इट इज़ सेफ फॉर एवर. वो हमेशा जब तक हम उसे डिलीट नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो कंप्यूटर में सेफली पड़ी रहेगी. सो चिल्ड्रन, इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, आई लाइक माई बुक वेरी मच. आई लाइक माई बुक वेरी मच. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है विच वी आर ट्राइंग टू कीप स्टोर इन द हार्ड डिस्क. सो हियर इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क. हम इसको हार्ड डिस्क कहते हैं. ये कुछ ऐसा हार्ड डिस्क होता है जो कि हमारे कंप्यूटर, हमारे CPU, ये CPU बॉक्स है, ये CPU बॉक्स है, CPU बॉक्स के अंदर होता है. तो ये चीज़ें जैसे कि अलमीरा का ड्रॉर होता है या फिर सेफ़ होता है जिसमें हम अपने वैल्यूएबल्स रखते हैं, चीज़ों को संभाल करके, वो चीज़ें जो खोनी नहीं चाहिए, बहुत सेफली रखनी चाहिए, उन चीज़ों को अपने अलमीरा के सेफ में रखते हैं. सिमिलरली वी स्टोर आवर फाइल्स इन दिस हार्ड डिस्क. इसको हम हार्ड डिस्क कहते हैं या ड्राइव कहते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड हार्ड डिस्क और हार्ड ड्राइव. हम इसको हार्ड डिस्क या हार्ड ड्राइव कहते हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड प्राइमरी स्टोरेज यूनिट, क्योंकि सबसे पहले जो भी चीज़ हम सेव करते हैं वो हार्ड डिस्क में ही आके सेव होता है एंड इट रिमेन्स इन द CPU, और ये बहुत ही सेफली CPU में रहता है. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे ऑफ प्रोटेक्टिंग समथिंग और या स्टोरिंग समथिंग, कि इसमें इसको किसी भी चीज़ से नुकसान नहीं हो सकता, ना किसी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से या किसी भी स्मॉल इंसेक्ट से, ऑर्गेनिज्म से, या फिर मॉइस्चर से, या फिर बारिश से, किसी भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम इसको नहीं होगी. इट विल बी सेव्ड सेफली फॉर एवर. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ called storage. This is one of the way how we store our information. So hard disk is the primary storage unit, क्योंकि सबसे पहले कंप्यूटर में कोई भी काम करने के बाद हम सेव करते हैं तो उसे हम हार्ड डिस्क में ही सेव करते हैं. So children, this is all about storage. We will be reading further in the chapter in the next video. Till then, go through the chapter. Try to learn the spellings which we have learnt till now. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, take care.